Good morning, children. This is factorization of polynomials. This is factor theorem. Okay. If p of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than 1 and a is any real number, then first one, x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a equal to 0, and second one, p of a equal to 0 if x minus a is a factor of p of x. Okay, and let us see the proof by the factor, that is a remainder theorem. P of x is equal to x minus a q of x plus p of a. Then first one, if p of a is equal to 0, then p of x is equal to x minus a into q of x plus 0. Is it not? P of a is 0. So then p of x is equal to x minus a into q of x. Second one, since x minus a is a factor of, p of x, then p of x is equal to x minus a into q of x for some polynomials g of x. Here p of a is equal to a minus a. How we got a? X in x place here, since x minus a is a factor of p of x. So therefore x minus a is equal to 0, then x is equal to a. You will get, okay. Then p of a is equal to a minus a into g of a is equal to 0. Okay, children. Now this you will understand in a better way, okay, while solving the problems. Okay, this is not much important factorization of polynomials, theorems, especially theorems. Okay, so the problems, how to solve the problems, all those things you have to learn. So that I will explain now. Example here, examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 and 2x plus 4. Here x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, factor x plus 2 is a factor, no? So let us equate to 0. X is equal to how much you get? Minus 2. Okay, then p of x, here you can see here p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. In that you have to substitute x is equal to 2. Okay, x is equal to minus 2. Then x is equal to what you get here, minus 2 x minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Minus 8 plus 3 into 4 minus 10 plus 6 minus 8 plus 12 minus 10 plus 6 minus 18 plus 18. Now p of minus 2 is equal to how much you got? 0. Minus 18 plus 18 is 0. So x plus 2 is a factor of p of x. Then s of x also is equal to 2x plus 4 is there. Now we have to substitute minus 2. Minus 2, if you substitute 2 into minus 2 plus 4, minus 2 plus into minus is minus 4 plus 4, that is equal to 0. Okay, next example, find the value of k if x minus 1, okay, if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k equal to 0, then x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, then x is equal to minus 1 if you take that side plus 1. Then p of x is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. Then x will become what? 1. Okay, p of 1 is equal to 4 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus k. Then 4, 1 cube is nothing but 1. 1 into 4 is 4 plus 3 into 1 square is 3 minus 4 ones are 4 plus k. Then plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled. P of 1 is equal to 3 plus k. Then 3 plus k is equal to, we have to equate to 0. Then k is equal to how much you get? Minus 3. Okay. So example, next example, factorize 6x square plus 17x plus 5 by splitting the middle term and by using the factor theorem. So here in both the method we have to do splitting the middle term. Already you have studied in 8th standard. Okay, now splitting the middle term, here we have how many terms, children? Three terms. 1 2 3. Middle term is 17x. Okay, splitting the middle term means first we have to take 6x square into 5. 6x square into 5, if you multiply, how much you get? 30x square. Okay, now using this product we have to find out the factors in such a way that if you add or subtract, you must get 17x. If you multiply, you must get 30x square. Okay, now see, 10 3s are 30 you are getting, but 10 plus 3 if you take 13, or 10 minus 3 if you take 7, we are not getting 17x. Okay, children, then which are the suitable factors we can take? 10 3s are over. The next option is what? Next option is 10 over 11, 13, 11. From 11 you are not getting any factors. Okay, 13, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now 15, let us try from 15. 15 ones are 15, 2s are 30. Is it not? 15 plus 2 is how much, children? 17. Getting now? So therefore we can take 15x plus 15x and 2x. 15 2s are how much you are getting? 30. Okay, now 15 plus 2 is how much? 17. So therefore these are the suitable factors here. Okay, now let us write 6x square plus 17x. Here we have splitted like this, 2x plus 15x. Understanding? This is nothing but splitting, by splitting the middle term. 2x plus 15x is nothing but 17x plus 5. Now in this, what is the common factor? 2x. Yes or no? 2 3 is 6, x we can take. So 2x. Okay, within the bracket, 2 3 is 6. Correct? 2 3 is 6, x plus 1. X plus 1. Okay, plus 5 take common here. Then here what you get here? 15 is there. Because 5 I have taken factor, that means common. 5 3s are 5 1s are. So 3x plus 1. So 2x plus 5 into 3x plus 1 is the answer. Okay, children. Now the same one we have to find out through what? Using factor theorem. Understood? See, now first method, middle term. By splitting the middle term we found here. Now we have to find out by factor theorem. Okay, children. So here the same thing, you take down 6x square plus 17x plus 5. Now see, in factor theorem always the quotient should be 1. X square quotient should be 1. But here we have 6. So what we have to do is, here we have to divide by 6. Okay, that means you have to take common factor 6. If you take common factor 6, that means what? You have to divide all the terms by 6. Okay, here 6 into 6x square by 6 plus 17x by 6 plus 5 by 6. So once again I am repeating, here a quotient always in factor theorem, we have to make it 1. If there is no quotient, then it is good. If there is quotient, then you have to make it 1. So how to make it 1? Divided by all the terms, divided by 6. That means taking common factor 6. Okay, here say I have taken common factor 6. Then inside what you get? 6x square by 6 plus 17x by 6 plus 5 by 6. Okay, children. Now 6 getting cancelled. Then 17 by 6x plus 5 by 6 you get. See here, you can see here 6 into x square plus 17x by 6 plus 5 by 6. Okay, Now how to find out this? See, we have to use first by trial and error method. Okay, by trial and error method, if x is equal to minus 1 by 3 and minus 5 by 2, then here x is equal to minus 1 by 3, what we get here, x is equal to minus 1 by 3 means here we'll get how here minus 1 by 3, if you substitute children here, if you substitute, what you get, x is equal to minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 6, sorry 9, understood? I think here I have done minus 1, if you take by trial and error method, 6 into minus 1 whole square plus 17 into minus 1, then you will get here at last what we get here it is not, you are not getting 0. Okay, if you get 0, then we can say that is the factor, one of the factor we can say, but here we are not getting, so that means what I have done here, I have taken here minus 1 by 3 whole square. Okay, minus 1 by 3 whole square plus 17 by 6 into minus 1 by 3 plus 5 by 6, if you take minus into minus plus 1 by 9, 3 3 is a 9, correct? Then minus plus into minus 17 ones are 17 by 6 3 is 18 plus 5 by 6. Okay, now take LCM, 9 18 6, 18 is the LCM, then 9 2s are 2 1s are, so 2 minus 18 ones are 17 as it is you get, plus 6 3s are 3 5s are 15. So if you simplify this, you will get here 0. Okay, then we can say one of the factor is minus 1 by 3. Then another factor also we need, is it not? See, you can see here I have done here LCM for the above sum. Okay, now another factor we have to find out. So here it is the suitable factor is minus 5 by, see children, this you have to find out by trial and error method only. Okay, you feel little bit difficult, but you have to practice. Okay, if you practice, definitely you will get. Now here what I have taken here for this x square is nothing but what, minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 17 by 6 into 5 by minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 6, isn't it? Now take that means simplify here, minus into minus plus 5 5 is 25 by 4 plus 17 by 6, that is plus into minus is minus, 17 by 6 into 5 by 2, that is 17 5 is 85 divided by 6 2s are 12 plus 5 by 6. Now we got here factor, that means the denominator is 4 12 and 6. What is the LCM of 4 12 and 6? LCM of 4 12 and 6 is nothing but 12. You can find out if you want. Okay, then 4 3s are 3, 25s are how much? 75 you get. Then here 12 ones are 12 into 185 is 85 plus 6 2s are 2 5s are 10. So here if you simplify this, you are getting 85. 75 plus 10 is 85 minus 85 is 0. So then this is also, that is one more factor is minus 5 by 2 whole square, that is the factor, another factor. Okay children, here let us come back here, the factors, that means 6 into x minus, that is x is equal to minus 1 by 3, no, see here x is equal to minus 1 by 3 we have taken. So x if you take this side plus, correct, this side if you take 1 by 3. So this is one of the factor, yes or no? So that is what here we have written. Another factor we have taken, x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay, now x if you take this side plus 5 by 2. Okay children, so x plus 5 by 2. Understood how we got this? We got by trial and error method. If we substitute this minus 1 by 3 and 5 by 2, we got after substituting we got how much? 0. So therefore they becomes 0 of the polynomial. So therefore they are the factors. Okay, 6 into, take LCM, 3 1s are 3x plus 1 by 3 plus, here also taking in LCM, 2 1s are 2, 2x plus 5 by 2. Okay, Now 6 into 3x plus 1, then 3 2s are 6, 2x plus 5, 6 will get cancelled. The factors are 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 5. This is what the factor theorem method. Understood? Now here I have done LCM for this the second this one, you can see that. Now let us move to next example. Y square minus 5y plus 6 by using factor theorem. See, one more I am teaching here. Okay, so please concentrate. If you concentrate, definitely you can do the problems. Okay, so y square minus 5y plus 6 by using factor theorem. Here first by trial and error method we have to move, because we have to find out the factors. What you have to do, take x is equal to 1. So 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6 is equal to 1 minus 5 plus 6 is equal to 2 you got. So then x is equal to 1 is not a factor. Okay, or x minus 1, correct? If you take this side, minus 1 is not a factor because we have not got here 0. You must get 0 here. The next by substituting minus 1 you got here 12. This is also, that is x plus 1. If you take minus 1 this side, plus it will become x plus 1 is not a factor. Okay. Now let us take next one, 2. X is equal to 2. So substitute in this, correct? In this, what do you get? 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6 is equal to 4 minus 10 plus 6, that is equal to 0. Oh, we got here 0. So therefore we can say equal to 2 is there, children. If you take this side, it will become what? Minus 2, correct? X minus 2 is one of the factor. Since we got here 0, is it not? Now one of the factor we got, children. Now next is another factor we need, because how we need another factor, how we should come to know here, since here we have a square. So therefore there are 2 factors. If 3 is there, cubic, 3 factors you must get. Okay, children. So another factor we have to find out. Now x is equal to minus 2. If we take, what you get here? 20. Then x plus 2 is not a factor. Okay, now let us move to x is equal to 3. Then 3 minus, if you substitute here, you got how much here? 0. So therefore if you take this side, this 3, x minus 3. Therefore x minus 3 is another factor. Okay, children. Now y square, so y square minus 5y plus 6 is equal to, what you get here? X minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, see here the coefficient, see the previous sum what we did. Okay, that is little bit complicated, yes or no? Since we had a quotient here 6. Okay, here there is no quotient. If there is no quotient, then you feel easier to find out the factors by factor theorem method. Okay, children. Next example, another example, factorize x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. Okay, here also I have done in factor theorem method only, so that this is what a cubic polynomial. Okay, this is cubic polynomial. Since we have here 3x cube. Okay, so how many factors we need here? We need 3 factors. Okay, now by trial, okay, by trial and error method, this you have taken, then p x is equal to 1. See, just by guessing you have to take x is equal to 1. If you take then will you get 0, that you have to see. Okay, substitute, then you got here 0, is it not? So x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 means 1. If you take this side, x minus 1, okay, is a factor of p of x. Then x, then another equation here it is the then, so what we here we have to take this equation in this how to make it x minus 1 is one of the factor of this equation. This is cubic polynomial, children. Okay, so please concentrate and listen carefully here. What we have to do is here x cube is here, children. Okay, this is x cube. Then minus what we have another factor, that is minus 23x square is there. So what we can do here, 1x square you take, say x cube minus 1x square minus 22x square. So both if you add, how much you get? Minus 23x square. Okay, plus why I have taken here like this, x cube minus 1x square. Here if you take common factor x square, so what is the common factor? X square. If you take x square I have taken, one more x is there, x minus x square already is outside, x minus 1 you get. So here see, you can find one of the factor what we got here, x minus 1. Okay children, so in that way we have to split the cubic polynomial here. See, next term what I have done, x cube as it is, the first term as it is you have to write. The next time term you have to split it. Square term I have split it. Then next term 22x is there. Okay, here 142x is there, correct? 142x. So how to split that? See, here we got here minus 22x square. For that it should match, no? So for that plus 22x plus 120x. If you add this, the same thing you will get 142. Is it not? Here 22 is there, 22 is there. Minus 22x. If you take common factor, what remains here? X plus is there, but we have taken common minus, so it will become here minus. So here see, you got x minus 1. Similarly, okay, this we have splitted enough. Then write as it is minus 120. Now 120 if you take outside, then what you get? X minus 1. Okay children. So like this you have to split the terms. Then next, see here you understood I think this one. Then here x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus. So that we can take common here, x minus 1. Then what remains? X square minus 22x plus 120. Okay. Now we have to split this. That is we have to find out the factors for this. How many factors we have to take for this? We have to find out 2 factors, since we are here you have 2. Okay. Now let us take this one. Now again by trial. Okay. So here we have to, okay, here what I have done is x square minus 22x plus 120. You can go for trial method, otherwise you can split the middle term. Okay, so here x square minus 12x minus 10x. Okay, so if you take that plus 120, then x is there, because how we split it children? 12 tens are 120, correct? Minus 2 minus plus, then minus 12 minus 10 is minus 22x. Okay children, now x square minus 12x minus 10x plus 120. X common, x minus 12 minus 10 into x minus 12. Then here x minus 10 into x minus 12 you get. Okay, so the final answer what we are getting, therefore x cube minus 23x square plus 142x plus minus 120 equal to x minus 1 into, we got first x minus 1, is it not? The next x minus 10, next x minus 12. So these are the factors of this polynomial. Okay, understood children? So this is the example problems. Next I will explain in exercise 4.4. Okay.